And I would say that I write, like, it's like folk music, if you want to put it in a, I try to pretend like I'm a female Johnny Cash or something like that. Anyway, sitting there drinking liquor, looking at the old train. All right, found out soon enough that life's a strange journey like a long train ride. You don't know where it's going, so you better try to enjoy the ride to the other side. Yeah, well now, wind on my face and suitcase in hand, I'm looking out the window at the passing of the man. Know if you rode with me, I know you'd understand. Ride with me, I will hold your hand. Well, now that train keeps on trudging down the tracks. I turn my face ahead 'cause I don't wanna look back, but I still find myself looking over my shoulder. Guess it means I'm getting a little bit older. Well, now sometimes when I'm alone, I'll cry for what has been. Sometimes when I'm with others, I'll just sigh in front of my friends, 'cause I'll wonder what I'm thinking, 'cause I'm dreaming again, yeah, yeah, well now, sometimes in the dark I could cry all night. Sometimes in the sunshine I just laugh and say, well, it's alright, yeah, it's alright, I suppose. That's just the way it goes, that's just the way it goes. It's just the way it goes. Well, now I hold on tight and try to make it through, yeah. Close my eyes and sometimes I'll think of you, and I don't know what to do about you. But yeah, now life's a strange journey like a long train ride. You don't know where it's going, so you better try to enjoy the ride.